$50 well spent, hey? You doing the washing? Hi guys, Mummy here. Look at what I bought. Let's test it out. It's pretty heavy duty actually. We got a tube.
Maybe show things a bit lower.
We got another tube.
Yeah. Well, you can't see your head.
Why not?
Oh, do you want to see your head, do you?
Oh yes. We got a handle and the instructions and in there. Can I see that? So the idea being, put that on there, and then you get your handle. I'm not sure what that is, that looks like a plug. And then to wash it, go like this. Then to spin it, do this.
Wow,
Who's got some dirty undies?
kind of weird.
How much do you reckon it takes?
It's not going to work.
Until the laundry is covered. This is where the magic happens. Look it up. It says wash and turn to wash around 2 minutes. Here we go. This is washing. Who wants to spin? It's not hard to spin at all. It's easy. Who wants to spin, Hannah?
Me.
All right, your turn. Give it a spin. That's it. I'm going to take the lid off. Oh, look at that. I'm just putting a second load in the same water and then I'm going to rinse them all after my water's dirty. So I just did my last spin cycle and yeah, they're still a bit wet, right? They're still quite heavy, but so much better than hand wringing. So I'm happy enough with it. I'm not regretting the $50. I do miss my Aldi machine. This one's okay, not too bad. It'll be good for free camping and it's probably better if you're outside and you can put your feet on the bottom. Spin it really well. Anyway, thumbs up for me, $50. I wouldn't spend any more than that.